In this video, we will be telling about how to convert your images into anime style. This is trending now. We will be using two methods for this. In first method, you don't need to install any third-party application. In second method, you need an application. Anyways, let's check about first method. Most of us will be using Telegram application. Open Telegram application. If you have not installed Telegram application, install this app. But I think most of you will be using this application. Anyway, open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, search for Anime AI. When you search for Anime AI, you will see one bot. Click on that bot. After selecting this bot, here you can see Start option. Click on Start. After that, here you can see one option. Click on this option. And here you can select your images. Select the image of which you want to create the anime. I am selecting this image. After selecting that image, press this send button. Now you can see started processing. This might take a while. Wait for some time. Now within few seconds, this bot has created anime. You can save this anime. To save this anime, click on these three dots after selecting the image. Here you can see save to gallery. Click on save to gallery. If you want to save both photos, you can do that. Or if you want to save this photo only, you can do that also. I am clicking this photo. After saving that photo, go to gallery. In gallery, you can see that photo. Select that photo. Here you can see that some logos and writings are there. We need to remove that. To remove that, here you can see edit button. I am using Google Photos as my gallery. Here you can see edit button. Click on that edit button. When you click on edit button, you can see crop option. Click on crop. And after that, you can crop this image. You can crop out that writings and logo. After that, here you can see save copy. I am saving this file. Now you can see that in this photo no logo or writing is there. Now you can use this photo. Anyways, let's check about the second method. In second method, you need to install an application. This app's name is Faceplay. I have given link in the description. If you want, you can check it out from there. After installing this app, open this application. After that, click get started. Now if you want premium features, you can subscribe by giving money. But I am opting for free version. If you want free version, here you can see close button. You can click on that close button and it will go to that app. Now here you can see so many styles. You can select whichever you like. But one thing you should keep in mind is that everything is not free. For using paid, you need paid subscription. Anyway, I am selecting one photo. After selecting that photo, here you can see free to use. Click on free to use. Then this app will ask you to sign in. I am signing in with my Google account. Anyways, I have signed in. After that, select the photo you want. You will get two options. One is camera and one is choose from album. If you want to click photo, you can select camera, or if you want to choose from album, you can select choose from album. After that, choose the photo which you want. You need to give permission for that. Anyways, I am selecting this photo. After selecting this photo, press confirm. Now here you can see free. If you need to use this service freely, you need to watch ad. I am clicking on free, then ad will come. Wait for ad to complete. Now the ad is completed. After that, close this. Now you can see changing. Now you can see that anime of that photo is created, and if you want, you can save this. If you want, you can save it. Save option is here. But the problem is that if you are saving with this option, the logo will be there in that photo. We don't need logo. So what we need to do is, here you can see no watermark option. Click on no watermark. When you click on that, you can see two options. Subscribe to remove and watch ad to remove. I am clicking watch ad to remove. When you click on that, one ad will come. Wait for that ad to complete. Now the ad is completed and that photo is saved. You can see that in gallery that photo is saved. You can use this photo. In this app there is video and GIF option, but that is not anime. If you want to change face in this video to your face, you can do that also, but that's not anime. Anyway, that feature is there in this app. You can check it out that also. Here GIF option is also there. If you want, you can change the face of this GIF to your face. But that's not anime. Anyway, that feature is there in this application. If you want, you can check that also. Anyways, using these two tricks, you can convert your normal photos into anime style. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.